Hey guys, Owen Sound anymore. I'm here at the street sale. You check her out. Neat stuff here.
Oh yeah, you got so many of the other starters who just don't have them anymore.
Well, it might be someone already bought it, maybe. Is that Charmander? The green.
Yeah, she's so good. Well, I literally showed her pictures and I'm like, go wild. I'm like, I'll let you do what you want with the length. She goes, and then I would usually cut 6 inches off. I'm like,
It's like jokes on you.
here.
Oh my
Like, I'm
god.
like, right off 6 inches. And I
Yeah,
remember, I just grabbed a shirt and went,
it looks so good.
she's like, trust the process. I'm like, I'm going to. I'm like,
But it's still terrifying.
I haven't had the hair this short since I was like 12.
Wow.
Actually, no. I was younger. I was like 10. Because it was like grade 4.
Wow.
Yeah.
Where's your studio? Is it just or
On
looks
8th
really
Street.
good, Lincoln.
new?
Kind of. We've been there for just over 2 years now.
Obviously.
What?
Yeah, we're a private studio, so we don't release all of our information until you have an appointment with us.
I got you. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, just for customer privacy, all that jazz. So yeah.
Huh. Okay.
I yelled at her like 3 times.
Did you?
No.
Yeah, I saw her walking down that way.
Yell at her more. Make her cry.
Yeah. No, I yelled at her. Just kept walking.
Hey man. No match? Yeah, it's good that you got a spot out here.
Oh yeah, it's great.
Cool.
It's great. It's hot, but
Hey, I know, I'm dying here. Do you want a water or you got
oh,
you
I got all kinds of
Ah.
stuff. Yeah.
all right.
I'm at the point where beer's starting to look pretty good right now.
Yeah. Yeah. Right on. Right on, you got shits?
Oh yeah. Those are the new ones.
Huh. There we go. Right on, man. Talk to you later.
Take care, man.
Yep.
Yeah. Right.
Let's go down this way. Actually, really good.
I like the big Yeah, I like the big
Like Nosh.
She would like come in with jazz.
Oh yeah. Listen, I'll look it up when I say yeah.
Thanks.
Unless you meant to.
No. Gonna have a handful in a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody gets
Warm as heck, but so good.
Let's go.
See you next time. This one here. Yeah. That's what it's called. I forgot what it's called. Sorry.
Oh, no, that's okay. I just wanted to make sure I know.
The green one I don't use. I used to put it in chocolate.
Whoa, everything's falling down.
How you doing? So these are all cutting boards, and yeah, they're just maple, walnut. It's all hardwood, so you can use them to cut on. These are coasters that are also like a bobble. So it makes a nice look. Yes. I did a little. I don't probably heard of Eddie Van Halen. So he had a guitar like that where it's all stripes and stuff. So I thought, oh, I'll do a couple of those and see what happens. And a coaster, all of the same. Hey, how's it going?
Good. I take it you're the artist?
I am the artist.
Right on. How long you been doing this?
I've been doing art my entire life.
Uh,
This specific
yeah.
style I've been doing for about 10 years.
Right on. Cool.
Big ones are, today they're $60.
I like the shirt, man. Right on. Yep. Cool. There we go. How much for the True North? How much for the hand drums?
30.
Good, it's not bad. All handmade? Right on. Hello. These yours?
Yes.
Nice. You gonna be here most of the day?
Yep, till 3.
Until 3?
Yep.
Okay. All right.
Here.
He is. He's just got a nice
Hello.
Hello.
I like the spoons. That's a neat idea.
The ideas with spoons are endless. I
Yeah.
tell you, they're not just for eating anymore.
Oh, is this all? Okay.
It's all
All
spoons,
spoons. Oh, okay.
Pretty much.
Ah, neat.
Recycling.
Yeah.
Here, actually. It's actually friends of ours. It's their solo.
Hello.
So it's on their property.
How are you?
Good. Would you have a card or anything?
Yes.
I just up.
This is not my card. This is her card. But
No, that's for
same-
the
but that's
same.
her website. Yeah.
All right, thanks. Cool.
Are you looking for a dog?
No, I have a cat, so I don't think I need a dog.
Well, I had dogs and
No, my
cats
cat would
and
probably
birds.
kill the dog.
Yeah, that is fair.
She's a big girl. You guys gonna be around all day?
Yeah, here till 3.
3?
Yeah.
3's the number, I guess.
Yeah.
Everybody's
it
leaving at 3.
Closes down at 3.
All right. I'll try to get back before then.
Sure.
I have a YouTube channel, so I'll give you my card when I'm done.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Just getting places on the map.
Awesome.
Huh. And here comes the main attraction. And here's the biggest troublemaker ever.
And the lion, eh?
Huh?
And the lion.
Yeah.
How was it down there?
Busy, yeah. So what do you think about having body cams?
That's a great question. What do you think about it?
I want them. I want them bad. That's just why I'm doing what I'm doing.
Yeah. Why do you think that'd be a good idea?
True transparency.
Yeah.
Complete 100%. Accountability, all there. Right? Without that, it's my word against yours. It doesn't matter how many of you there is. Right?
So that's something you're pro.
Yeah, I want the body cams. And then I actually even talked to the mayor, and he said that it should be in the budget, next budget, like in the budget coming up for the body cams. So I would like to see you guys having them.
Do you see any issues with having them? Like
With having? No, not at all.
Not at all.
Without having them, major every issue. It's no transparency there.
Have you ever spoken to any other officers and departments that do have them?
I wasn't involved, but they had body cams, so I never mentioned it anyway. So, and they did have, when I lived there 8 years ago, they had body cams also. So that's why I was kind of surprised. I never noticed it at first, and then I started taking the notice, and then I noticed, hey, wait a minute, no body cams. That's not fair. It really isn't.
They don't have?
No, you guys don't.
Oh, okay.
And that's why I thought that's not fair. And that's why I went, wait a minute. And I started watching a few of the YouTube channels and stuff like that. And I went, yeah, okay.
So for yourself, though, do you feel as though if an officer does have a body cam, are they more or less approachable?
More so.
Oh, really?
Well, me, I don't, because I don't care about the camera, right?
Right.
Other people that are scared of the camera, yeah, I could see them. They wouldn't even notice it because it'd be like almost having a camera in the bank, right? You're not. They see you as not as the person that's there, like a stable person. So they won't even notice the body cam, I don't think.
Like, because a lot of times when you see them on officers' uniforms, they are quite large.
Yes, I know.
Right? And it's very obvious.
Yeah.
So I just wonder from your perspective,
No, like-
do you feel like that's more approachable or less approachable?
It all depends on the
As it-
person.
right.
Yeah. All depends on the person. That's all. Yeah.
Well, that's good.
How many years have you been on here?
It's been quite a few, actually.
'Cause
Have you always lived here?
No, I've been here the last 8 years.
Oh, okay. Did you grow up here?
No,
Oh, okay.
no. I grew up in Guelph.
Oh, in Guelph. Oh, so that's why you're talking about that.
Yeah.
The Guelph body cams.
Yeah.
Well, that's
Do you
good.
know
Well, stay hydrated
Officer
today.
Special Constable Krista Foonley?
Not off the top of my head.
No.
I
Because
don't know if you have one.
I had an incident a little while ago at the coach, like 2 years ago, and she was the officer that showed up, and I left the scene, and she didn't follow up with her searching for me and stuff like that, and because of that, and maybe another thing, my charges got dropped. So I had all pissed off about how long it was taking the process, right? And I was going to end up, and that's why I went to the cop shop the first time and get the complaint forms. I was going to put out a complaint on her, but I thought about it and I went, wait a minute, if she followed through, my charges wouldn't have been dropped. So now I'm thanking her for not doing her job.
Well, there's always the complaint process, right? Or if
Yeah.
you have any information to provide at any time, you can go in.
No, I know, and all the
Online
officers know that.
reporting,
Yeah.
everything. I think it's a good idea.
Well, no, and that's another reason why I'm doing this too. If I catch something that you guys don't see or nothing, I can go here and look at this, right? And I noticed jaywalking's not a big issue here. Because I seen a guy jaywalking in front of a cop and the cop stopped and slowed down for him. So,
I mean, truly, especially a day like today.
no, it was.
Oh, okay.
It was no, not today. No. It was a while back.
Well, that's great. We'll stay hydrated today.
Yeah.
It's
I
a hot
got
day.
3 more in my
Is it a
backpack.
cooler backpack?
No, but cold water's not good for you anyway.
Those are, yeah, it's supposed to be warm, but not hot.
No.
Yeah. Did you go down to the other end there and see the other emergency services down there?
No, I was down there. I already went to the station at a tour anyway, so I thought that's okay to skip them today, or if I see them, I see them, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Well, it was nice chatting with you.
Yeah.
All right, have a good day.
Yeah.